here, Estonia. So you're from where? From
I'm from Finland.
from Finland. Finlandia.
Yes.
Oh, what are you doing? Sure.
No, wait. I wanted to ask you, what is the meaning of life?
Meaning of life. Meaning of life is everywhere. Meaning of life is here. It's always where you are. Here. Now we're in railway station. It's Baltiam. Baltiam, it's a railway station called. You know, different trains are coming. Opportunities. Everything. You know, there are ordinary trains coming time after time. After every 15 minutes. But there is a special train coming. A golden one. If you catch the right train, it's full of cash. It's full of fucking white tight ass fucking nigga pussy bitches, you know. And this life is like a Baltiam. See, everything is here. Trains are coming, trains are going. You have to catch a special train. It's slowly like some opportunity. Don't miss it, man. Don't miss it. You have to catch the fucking train. Catch the train. Hey. Ah, no. Catch the train. Камера сюда! Камера сюда!